Hello mga kababayan, kwento time muna tayo. One of my inspiring clients, recently, they just bought their 4th property dito sa Canada. So, pang 3rd rental property na nila ito. And my basement suite, which I really, really love. So, 2 units yung pinapaupahan nila. So, nabili nila ito for $265,000 sa isang smaller city. So, yes, may mga lugar pa talaga na affordable and cash flow positive. So, ang monthly mortgage nila is around $1,200 a month. Property tax, around $200 a month. Insurance, estimated mga $120 a month. And they set aside around $150 per month for maintenance. So, ang total monthly expense, roughly around $1,600 to $1,700. Now, the exciting part, ang rental income nila from both suites is about $3,600 per month. Okay? And so with after expenses, they are cash flowing around $1,900 per month. Ang galing, di ba? So of course, these are just rough estimates. And this type of setup won't work in all provinces or markets. But it's still a great example of what's possible when you buy strategically and in the right place and in the right market. Okay? So, hindi mo kailangan ng milyon-milyon para magsimula. Minsan, diskarte lang at tamang guidance ang kailangan. So, if you're curious kung pwede rin ito sa situation mo, message me and let's chat about what's possible for you. Okay?